Today, I want to share with you a discovery that has changed the lives of many people, especially those over 60 years old who suffer from problems like cramps, high blood pressure, insomnia, or that tiredness that never goes away. And the most amazing thing is that the solution might be right there in your kitchen with just two super simple ingredients. Have you ever stopped to think about why our grandparents always talked about home remedies? That's right. Many times nature has answers we can't even imagine. And today I'm going to explain why the combination of banana and lemon has become so popular and, most importantly, how you can get all the benefits of this mixture the right way. First of all, I want you to understand why this information is so important, especially for those who are in their mature years. As the years go by, our bodies start to face some natural challenges. Nutrient absorption becomes slower, muscles can get tenser, sleep may become more irregular, and blood pressure can start to show some signs of instability. It's nothing abnormal. It's part of the natural aging process. But that doesn't mean we have to accept these discomforts as inevitable. First, let's understand what's happening in our body when we consume this combination. Banana is an amazing fruit, rich in potassium, which is essential for the functioning of our heart and our muscles. When there's a lack of potassium in the body, it's common to experience those annoying cramps, especially at night, and even problems with blood pressure. These situations become more frequent as we get older, especially after the age of 60. In addition, bananas contain magnesium, a mineral that helps muscles relax, and this can greatly improve the quality of our sleep. But bananas have other interesting components as well. They contain tryptophan, which is an essential amino acid that our body turns into serotonin, known as the well-being hormone. That's why many people feel more relaxed after eating a banana. And it also has fibers that help with bowel function, B-complex vitamins, which are important for the nervous system, and natural carbohydrates, which provide energy gradually without causing spikes in blood sugar. But here's the interesting part. If you eat only the banana, your body won't be able to absorb all these nutrients efficiently. And this becomes even more important for those in their senior years, because as time goes by, our bodies naturally have more difficulty absorbing certain nutrients. That's where lemon comes in, which is an excellent source of vitamin C and citric acid. These compounds in lemon work like a kind of booster, helping the body absorb the potassium and magnesium from the banana more effectively. It's as if lemon is the key that opens the door, so that all the benefits of the banana, so our body can really make use of all the benefits of the banana. And there's one more fascinating thing about lemon. Even though it's an acidic fruit, when it's metabolized by our body, it has an alkalizing effect on the blood. This means it can help reduce inflammation and improve our health overall. Lemon also contains flavonoids, which are compounds with antioxidant properties that help fight free radicals that speed up cellular aging. The vitamin C in lemon, besides improving the absorption of iron and other minerals, is also essential for the production of collagen, which keeps our skin, joints, and blood vessels healthy. And for those who are in their mature years, maintaining good levels of vitamin C is essential to strengthen the immune system, which naturally becomes more fragile over time. Now, how do you prepare this mixture the right way? Because it's no use doing it any old way. There's a right technique to enhance the benefits. First, choose a banana that is perfectly ripe. Not too green, because the starch hasn't been converted into natural sugars yet, and it can be harder to digest. Not too ripe either, because then it has already lost some of its nutrients. The ideal one is that banana with a few brown spots on the peel, you know. It's sweet but still nutritious. Those spots indicate that the starch has already turned into simpler sugars, making the fruit easier to digest and naturally sweeter. For the lemon, always use the fresh fruit. No industrialized or concentrated juices, because they don't have the same concentration of nutrients. And many times they contain preservatives and added sugars, which can interfere with the benefits. Choose lemons that are firm with smooth and shiny skin and that feel heavy in your hand. This indicates that they are juicy. Squeeze half a lemon for each banana you are going to use. If you want a milder flavor, you can start with a third of a lemon and adjust to taste. The preparation is very simple, but it has its secrets. Mash the banana with a fork until it forms a smooth paste. It doesn't need to be completely smooth. Some small pieces actually give it an interesting texture. Then, gradually mix in the lemon juice, stirring well so everything blends together. An important tip is not to use a blender or food processor because the heat generated by the blades can destroy some of the more delicate nutrients, especially the vitamin C from the lemon and some enzymes from the banana. And here's a crucial piece of information. Consume this mixture immediately after preparing it. If you leave it stored, even in the refrigerator, the nutrients start to oxidize due to the oxygen in the air, and you lose some of the benefits. Vitamin C is especially sensitive to oxidation, so the fresher the mixture, the better. It's better to prepare it right before consuming, even if it takes a little more work. As for the best time to consume it, morning is ideal, preferably on an empty stomach or at breakfast. This allows the body to absorb the nutrients better, and the natural energy from the banana's carbohydrates will help you start your day well. But if you prefer, you can also have it in the middle of the afternoon as a natural snack, or even at night, about an hour before going to bed, to take advantage of the relaxing benefits of magnesium and tryptophan. For those who want to enhance the recipe, you can add a pinch of cinnamon, which not only gives a delicious flavor, but also helps control blood sugar levels and has anti-inflammatory properties. Or a small amount of turmeric, which is a very potent natural anti-inflammatory and can help with joint pain, which is common in older age. Even a pinch of powdered ginger can be a good addition, as it helps with digestion and has properties that improve circulation. Another interesting variation is to add a few drops of extra virgin coconut oil, which contains medium-chain fatty acids that are easily absorbed by the body and can provide a greater feeling of satiety. Or you can add some crushed almonds or nuts, which will add healthy fats and proteins, making the snack more complete and nutritious. Now, there are some mistakes that many people make, and that can completely compromise the results. The first one is mixing it with milk or yogurt. Although it seems like a good idea to make a smoothie, the calcium present in dairy products competes with potassium for absorption in the intestine, so you would be drastically reducing the benefits. If you want a creamier texture, you can add a little bit of water or even plant-based milk, like almond milk or coconut milk, which doesn't interfere with the absorption of minerals. The second mistake is sweetening the mixture with refined sugar, honey, or other sweeteners. This not only turns the preparation into a dessert and defeats its therapeutic purpose, but can also cause blood sugar spikes. A ripe banana already has enough natural sweetness, and the lemon will balance out that flavor. If you really feel the need for more sweetness, you can use a pinch of natural stevia, which doesn't affect blood sugar levels. And the third mistake, which might be the most common, is the lack of consistency. To really feel the benefits, you need to consume this mixture regularly, at least once a day, for at least 2 to 3 weeks. Our body needs time to adjust and replenish its nutrient reserves. There's no point in taking it for 2 days and expecting miracles. Another mistake worth mentioning is not using the correct ratio. Using too much lemon can make the mixture too sour and even irritate the stomach of more sensitive people. Using too little won't properly enhance the absorption of the banana's nutrients. The ratio of half a lemon to 1 medium banana is ideal for most people. This combination can be especially helpful for people who suffer from frequent cramps, blood pressure problems, trouble sleeping, or that chronic fatigue that seems to have no explanation. And those of you who are in your 60s, 70s, or older can benefit even more from this mixture. Since these problems become more common with aging and the body needs extra support to absorb nutrients properly. Of course, we're not talking about replacing any medical treatment, but rather a natural supplement that can make a big difference in your quality of life. The benefits may start to appear within the first few weeks of regular use. Many people report that their nighttime cramps decrease significantly. Sleep becomes more restorative, and that constant feeling of tiredness starts to improve. Blood pressure may stabilize a little more, although this should always be monitored by a doctor. It's important to have realistic expectations about the results. We're not talking about a miraculous cure, but rather nutritional support that can gradually improve some aspects of health. Some people may notice changes more quickly, while others may need more time. Each body is unique and responds differently. The interesting thing is that this isn't just some internet fad. Many traditional cultures already knew about the benefits of combining citrus fruits with other fruits to enhance their effects. In Ayurvedic medicine, for example, combining different flavors and properties of foods is essential to maintain the body's balance. In traditional Chinese medicine, there is also the concept that certain foods can enhance each other's effects when consumed together. The difference is that today, science can explain exactly why this works, through knowledge about the bioavailability of nutrients and how different compounds interact in our bodies. We know, for example, that vitamin C can increase iron absorption by up to 7 times, that certain organic acids can improve mineral absorption, and that some compounds can have kinetic effects when combined. For those with diabetes, it's important to monitor blood sugar when introducing this mixture into the diet, since bananas contain natural carbohydrates. Although they are absorbed more slowly than refined sugars, they can still affect glucose levels. Ideally, you should consume it along with some source of fiber or protein to further slow down absorption. People who take medication for blood pressure should also be careful because the potassium in bananas can enhance the effect of some medications. It's not a reason to avoid it, but it's important to talk to your doctor and monitor your blood pressure regularly. So, if you're looking for a natural and simple way to improve some aspects of your health, it's really worth trying this combination. It's inexpensive, it's natural, and when done correctly, it can bring real benefits to your daily life. Try it for a few weeks and see how you feel. Sometimes, the simplest solutions are the ones that really work. Remember, health is a process, not an event. Small, consistent changes in daily habits can lead to major improvements in quality of life over time. And this mix of banana and lemon can be a simple and tasty step on this journey to well-being. I hope you enjoyed today's tip and that it will be useful for you. Try it out, observe the results, and take good care of your health. See you next time!